Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we are gonna be making a guitar Afro beat. Something groovy, something really melodic. So without wasting time, let's just go right to our DAW. All right, so right now at DAW, I've gotten this vocal which we are gonna be using. So let's listen to the vocals. From my life to my gun, I be soft and I be bomb. For my guitar, I always go with the Ilya famous guitar because that guitar just sound realistic. This is it, and I've just created like a very nice guitar groove. So you have on the key of F sharp. So we're just moving from the 6 to the 5, then to the 1, back to the 4. So nice. And as you can see, the chords are actually opened. So like I always say, when you're creating guitar chords, it's good to leave your chord open. So most times when you play your triad, just try to take the middle note up an octave, and it's just going to create that openness. You could use your guitar to play such amazing melodies. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to send it to the mixer, right? And just load in a nice guitar preset. So I have something like this, just some reverb and EQ. So to make it sound really realistic more, we could just add guitar rig. I think I'm gonna try the nice passive clean. That's always like my favorite. It sounds like this, but I think it's too much. Let us a little bit of it. From my life to my gun, I be soft and I be bomb. Nice. So you can see we've already created some nice melody. I'm sure you're already enjoying this. The next thing is to add in a bass, and for the bass, I think I want to add like Nexus. Okay, let's try this and see. Then to the 1, to the 4. So send it to my mixer, and I think I want to add like kickstart, just to give it, yeah, nice. Then we could go into the drums. I've selected some nice kick, some percussions. Yeah, so that's basically the percussions we are going to be using. And I think I want to go with a steady kick, so let's go with a kick. Let's see, I think it's okay. Yeah. So let's go split by channel. So everything is on a different channel, right? We have our kick. We have this for our drums. So maybe I just need like a shaker. So let's read the vocals. I just love my things to be colorful, really organized. That's just me. So we could add in like a transition. Yeah, so I think I want to add like some nice chords. So let's create on that pattern, and I'm just gonna go select SKY key, copy the same chord progression because it's still the same the way it is I want to play. Yeah, so Yeah, nice. So next thing, I think I can add like just some effects underneath it just to make it really interesting. Amazing. We did have like a full song. Yeah, so just something like that, just to give it like atmosphere, you know. Maybe this. Let's make this unique. Yeah, so send my kick. So just I change the kick and the bass. Yeah, with the vocal. So the next thing can be, we can just add some log drums, because this is gonna be like the chorus of the song, right? So for me, most times I just build everything on the chorus, then just split it into different sections like the verse and all. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a log drum. Yeah, so for me, this is a vibe. Yeah, maybe I'll just add some snare just to go with the log drums. Then so we can now just quickly just arrange it. So for me, this is already like a vibe, man. So I'm just gonna play just this part because, you know, I still need to work on the verse and the intro. But you know, you feel the vibe just with a single nice guitar melody. Yeah, man, so I hope you got something from this. If you did, don't forget to, you know, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And if you want this FLP, all you just have to do is be in the Patreon and you have access to this FLP and other amazing FLPs on the Patreon and other goodies on the Patreon. So thank you guys for watching, and you know the vibe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.